Adolfo and me mawakwa baba Glorious Ahobrasia Kitchen. You and any first time I'll show me a special welcome. Yeah, inti me wa me chicken and me season the dow. Inti me de me cool me de white pepper, black pepper, egu so ena better than bouillon and also me de bika ho. You. Inti enani me de me jene enso aka ho. Eyi ye akekedru ene garlic. Nti ya blend it chitese ni yede ka ho nkwan ya hyase kire se na wie be ko awie ye pa you better frowensa chitese yede yentin tomatoes kakra so aka ho ya de one preko ranchene kakra ka ho mame na ya cho nam no ho kakra. Hey, basil akoko mesa. You Niama yede beka ho so na esi so ginger ne kakra na kai na mede aka tomatoes, fresh tomatoes and then sweet bell peppers. You edua me ye eno aning and ye reuse. In katia me use nsuni you. This is in bepoton katano so na my den ma chiweno mu and so separate. Na che say ebinga na ma hwie di egum na ye wie aning. Hey, ice cream being so cost so sweet after meal. So when you and secretary, some all the way, a bit dear bread. Yes. Intimidate Jenny. I met you check a crazo aka in Katina Michono. It's me was Emano nice flavor. I say about blend tomatoes no. And sweet bell peppers. Yeah. Now your songs so fine. Yeah. Inquire near fit. Now the ones su egum, depending on how our open ne thickness no. Open sanya lighter. Ni na also. Intino na wash it. Ehono na waye. Like in cutting also is almost done. You actually fine. So oil na now who say you it's ready. It is a wound chun cutting my winning me here now oil no say benia. that tells you say why ratty just say no way and then why introduce number one kwan no now my friends so Samri, it means say me banching so I ready to make a banching. This is cassava and plantain. Now I blend it. Yeah. And then I made it for food necessary. This is say no so made it. Make a be some be a gusso and a cocoa mesa basil. Fufu na I ready no. Fufu na I ready no. Yay. Hey. Shankwan na fufu. O shankwan na fufu. Thanks for watching.